Hi guys, welcome to another Ellie Eats. It's been a couple of months, okay, like 5 months since I've last did a video. So I'm in a different location yet again. So me and my boyfriend moved at the end of September. So we've been getting all used to working and all that kind of stuff and getting things right for the house. So the Ellie Eats videos have been neglected and replaced with weekly vlogging, which if you guys want to know, it's on my page here somewhere. Okay, so I bought a couple of things. Beef Fresh Thai tea drink with basil seed. I've actually tried this before by recommendation of one of my colleagues, and it's kind of like a Thai coffee kind of cold drink. So I'll give that a go. We also have this Chinese soft egg cake. It's like a cereal bar, but it's like little tiny pieces of chewy cake. I really don't know how to describe this. Unfortunately, there's no English on it, but I can confirm that there's no peanuts in it, but beware of flour and glutens and things like that. Yeah. I also have this Kasen squid flavour snack. This is really new in our shop, like I don't think anyone's tried it yet, so this will be completely new for me. And also I have actually tried this one before as well. It's the cow soy seasoning mix for egg noodle curry. Really nice with chicken. It also recommends beef, so the next time I try this one out, it'll be with beef. So we actually tried this with breast of chicken. My colleague actually recommended, why did you use breast chicken? Why don't you use like chicken thighs or chicken drumsticks with a lot more flavour? But we just used whatever we had on to hand. And the next thing we're going to try is with beef. We had a few problems. We did all the measurements and it came out too runny. So the next time we try this, we're going to use less water and less coconut milk. It's kind of like a really warming kind of curry flavour. Definitely different if you add the egg noodles and the soy sauce. That totally brings out a completely different flavour. It's not just a curry, it's something different. So I seriously recommend this. This is the Lobo cow soy seasoning mix for egg noodle curry. It's 50 grams, it's halal, and the ingredients are spices, nutmeg, mace, cinnamon, ginger, clove, sugar, salt, flavour enhancer, curry powder, acidity regulator. Next thing is a Regent Kasen squid flavour snack. I've never tried this, so I'm going to give it a go. Smells like soy sauce. Okay, so it looks like weird shaped pasta tubes, like penne, kind of like a weird texture. Not really getting the squid flavour in this though. I don't really know why they've named it this, because the most prominent flavour is soy sauce. So next up we have the Regent Kasen squid flavour tubes snack. This is what it looks like. This is a product of the Philippines. The ingredients are potato starch, potato powder, sugar, vegetable shortening, salt, squid powder 9.25%, soy sauce powder, soybean, wheat flour, salt and sugar, chili powder, and flavour enhancer. This does contain wheat, so it's not really advisable if you have any allergies. I got my glass and I'm going to give this basil seed drink a go on camera. I have actually tried this one before and I couldn't really describe what it tastes, so maybe a second time I can actually tell you. No preservatives apparently. So okay, it comes out pretty thick. It's like an orangey brown kind of colour. It's very drinkable. The taste doesn't linger. You can taste the tea because it's really strong. And also the basil seed is also a strong flavour, but they work really well together. It's kind of like a cold coffee kind of cappuccino mix. I would definitely buy this again. We have the V Fresh Thai tea drink with basil seed. This product is halal. It's a product of Thailand. The ingredients include basil seed, sugar, non-dairy creamer, tea extract, artificial flavour. This is 290 ml. I have tried this one before. It's a really nice cold coffee kind of taste. Okay, next up we've got the Chinese cake. I'm assuming it's Chinese, but I cannot see the place of origin on this. It's like unwrapping a present. It comes in 2 separate packs of 6. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Sorry, 8. Okay, so they come in these individual small little packages. You can see why I would say like a cake bar slash cereal bar, because it's neatly packed and it's got the same look as a cake bar. The thing is though, this is like very chewy and it's so hard to describe. It's almost like cakey, marshmallowy kind of texture. I really don't know how they've made this. It's so good. There's so many different flavours as well. There's like this one, like the egg flavour. There's one with like fruit in it. I'm gonna definitely look into these. I would definitely buy this again. I would probably try another flavour, but they're all the same thing. Like, it's a cake, soft cake bar. This one's kind of like a plain egg flavour. It just tastes like plain sponge. There's no vanilla or anything in it. There's flour, palm oil, or syrup. Syrup? Syrup de glucose? What do you think that is? Oh, and sugar. So it's like something to stick it together, but also something sweet. Whole milk powder, powder de latte impère, and food additives with antioxidants. You can't really I just can't see anything else. So it's just kind of funny because some things are in English and then this is like entirely in different languages. Is the Chinese cake bar. There's no English on this product, it's all in Chinese, and this label doesn't have any English on it. Unfortunately, I can make out some of the ingredients. It comes in 2 packs. Like, unfortunately, this product is imported by another company and it doesn't specify where the actual origin is. But that is my Ellie Eats video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for another one.